Welcome to the exciting journey of building your own AI chatbot using ChatGPT. In this presentation, we'll guide you through the steps to create a powerful and interactive chatbot that can enhance your projects and engage users like never before. Imagine having a chatbot that's not only secure and efficient but also capable of solving your project's toughest challenges. With ChatGPT, you can turn this dream into reality and be part of the AI revolution. Let's explore why building your own AI chatbot is a game changer. To embark on this journey, you'll need a few essentials: an OpenAI account, an API key, Python 3.8 or higher, and a code editor like VS Code or Replit. These tools will set the foundation for creating your chatbot. Securing your API key is crucial. Simply visit the OpenAI platform, log in, and create a new secret key. Remember to store it safely and never share it publicly, as it's the gateway to your chatbot's capabilities. Let's kick off the process by installing the necessary packages. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the commands to install OpenAI and Streamlit. These packages are vital for building and running your chatbot. Next, we'll import the OpenAI package and set your API key. This step ensures your chatbot can communicate with the OpenAI servers, unlocking its potential to interact and respond intelligently. Now, let's create a function that allows your chatbot to converse with ChatGPT. By setting up chat memory, your chatbot can maintain context and provide more coherent responses. Designing an engaging user interface is key. Using Streamlit, we'll create a simple yet effective UI that allows users to input text and interact with your chatbot seamlessly. Here's a glimpse of the chatbot UI we've created using Streamlit. It's intuitive and ready for users to start engaging with your AI-powered assistant. Enhance your chatbot's functionality by adding user messages to memory. This step ensures that every interaction is stored, allowing for a more personalized and dynamic conversation experience. Focus on extracting replies from the assistant. By appending the assistant's response to the message history, your chatbot can deliver accurate and context-aware replies to users. It's time to run the code and see your chatbot in action. With a simple command, your AI assistant will be ready to engage users and provide insightful interactions. Discover the advantages of using the OpenAI API over the ChatGPT website. With the API, you have control over memory and context, ensuring your chatbot remembers important details and delivers consistent interactions. Integrating the OpenAI API into your app or website offers unparalleled control over design, flow, and logic. Whether it's an Android app or web platform, the API empowers you to create a customized chatbot experience.
Disclaimer: generating an API key is free, but using the API is not free. OpenAI charges based on usage, how many messages you send, how long the responses are, and which model you use. Typical cost: if you build a simple chatbot, like a web page or app, your initial usage may cost around $5 or more, depending on traffic and model. GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. At the Flash Liven, card after information. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Share your valuable thoughts and comment.